This is POCO M5, and in this video we would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. Alrighty, so to start we would like to show how you can set up the fingerprint unlock method, which is the first feature for this video. In order to do that, you gotta launch the general settings tab, then enter the passwords and security category, and in here you'll find the dedicated fingerprint unlock section. So let's go ahead and configure it. So basically, prior to enrolling any kind of biometrical screen unlock method, it is required that you also enable the backup method as well. The list of available methods you can choose from is pattern, PIN, or password. I'll go with the pattern myself. So tap on the Got It option, then enroll or draw the pattern that you would like to use. After that, redraw it again in order to confirm your choice or in order to confirm the pattern. Next, you can start enrolling the fingerprint. The scanner is located at the right side of the phone's frame, right at the power button basically. So it is a power button and the fingerprint sensor at the same time. So in order to enroll your finger and fingerprint in particular, just lift it onto the scanner. Make sure to slightly rotate each time you lay it onto the sensor, so the entire surface of it will be correctly scanned. So just lay and lift. Lay and lift. Alrighty, as you can see, the fingerprint has been successfully enrolled. Now let's go ahead and test it out, how well it unlocks the display. As you can see, without any issues whatsoever. Let's test out another finger of mine. As you can see, it does not unlock the display. Alrighty, the second feature that we were to show you is another biometrical security option, which is, as you could already guess, the face unlock. So let's go ahead and set it up as well. So all that needs to be done in order to enroll the face recognition feature is to just scan your face, basically put it inside the rectangular frame. This one, I'll scan my face off the screen real quick. Alrighty, so the face data has been successfully added. Now let's go ahead and test it out real quick. As you can see, the screen gets unlocked without any issues once I align the selfie camera with my face. So it obviously cannot recognize my face because the camera is not pointing at it, but the moment I align it with my actual face, the display gets unlocked easily and relatively swiftly. The next tip for this video is located at the display category of settings. So let's go ahead and enter it, and it is called the refresh rate. So basically there are two values to choose from, 60 and 90 Hertz. Long story short, lower value of 60 Hertz will get you longer battery life, while the 90 Hertz will significantly increase the motion, smoothness and silkiness of all the screen visuals, as well as add more clarity to details. As you can see, it is written right below the value. So choose whatever is more important to you at the moment. The power consumption, the decrease of the power consumption, or if your battery health is sufficient, if your battery life is sufficient, you can just go ahead and opt for the higher values in order to get better visual experience. Alrighty, moving on to the next feature, that is the app lock. It's a very cool security feature that allows you to lock any app of your choice. So let's go ahead and enroll it. It is located in the privacy protection, if I'm not mistaken, but let me double check. No, not here. Then at the apps, yep. So just enter the apps category of settings. In here you'll find the dedicated app lock section. So let's turn it on real quick. In here you gotta enroll the pattern for the app lock that is going to be used. I'll just go with the one that I have as my backup screen lock method. Click on next. Choose if you would like to, well, get your password into the password linked to the MI account. I'll skip this step. Select what apps you would like to enroll the app lock for. Let's say I'll go with the gallery and Mi browser. Use app lock. Then it also provides you with an opportunity to use the fingerprint that you have enrolled previously as the way of unlocking the app as well, which you can either skip and do not use it by tapping on the cancel option, or confirm the enrollment of the fingerprint for the app lock by laying your finger onto the scanner, which I'll also do. You can also set up the face data, set up for it to work as the app unlock method as well, and hide some sensitive notifications over here. So basically that would be it. Let's go ahead and test it out. So let me find the Mi browser real quick. And as you can see, it requires that I either use the fingerprint on the pattern. I'll unlock it with the fingerprint, as you can see. Great success. And the same goes for the gallery, which I'll use the pattern to unlock. In this case. Great success as well. Alrighty, moving on to the fifth and final feature for this video. It is located in the additional settings category, so let's enter it. It is called memory extension, and as you can see, it allows you to increase the amount of random access memory you have by 2 gigabytes by occupying the internal storage. It basically extracts those 2 gigabytes from the phone memory and uses it as the RAM. So in order to turn this feature on, in order to expand your random access memory amount, just enable this toggle and reboot the device. So let's go ahead and wait until the phone gets rebooted. Alrighty, so the smartphone has been successfully restarted. Let me just quickly enter the SIM pin I have, as well as unlock the screen real quick. So now, if we will go to the About Phone section in the settings, let it just load itself real quick. So About Phone, all specs. In here at the ROM section, we'll be able to clearly see that in addition to the default 4 gigabytes of random access memory we will have at all times, we also added bonus, 2 gigabytes. Alrighty, so that would be not only for the last tip, but for this video in general. So thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.